Alright, so we are in our long here from 97.25, had our setup right here. There's actually kind of two of them right next to each other. Got the same setup down here on NQ, sort of pulled down into this large node. I do think we're going lower throughout the day. In fact, I won't be surprised if we don't even make it up to my target, but figured, you know, that's the setup I'm doing right now. I'm going for 10 points, stop below the bottom of the candle. This time I gave it a tiny little extra room in case it wants to just poke through -1 standard deviation full session VWAP. So that's a 3-point stop there and a 10-point target. So as you can see, we also found buyers down here at this SPY dark pool level. Go ahead and update my GEX levels here and my dark pools. Looks like we got some sellers here. Against this 8 EMA on SPY here. Plus it's also a GEX level, so see if we can get through that and get up to the bull market support band here, which is I think it's the 20 SMA, 21 EMA or something like that. Let's see, this dark pool's going here. And get our Greeks from the Qs. And let's get our dark pools.
So ECB holdings under PEPP are at 1.67 trillion euros as of last week. They also settled 2.346 trillion euros in public sector bond
GEX
purchases
for
and 317.7
hourly
billion
chart
euros in
here.
corporate bond purchases.
We're 5 minute on QQQ, SPY, and IWM, and then we'll go an hour chart on SPX, and we're doing a 30-minute chart on DXY. Bringing in our Tradietics. This is Tradietics here. This is where I get my levels here for okay, so buyers held VWAP. That's nice to see. Looks like IWM kind of held this GEX level for the time being. Potential setup there for longs. So yeah, sellers here at the opening range low, so we'll have to get through that in order to
TASS
get
News
up here
says
to
the Russian
target.
spy chief, noting that the French military unit in Ukraine will be a priority target for Russia. So again, TASS News citing the Russian spy chief, French military units in Ukraine will be a priority target for Russia.
Oh, 725. Whoops. Yeah, 0725. That is like, that's before this overnight point of control here. So I think that that's very doable. Let's see what happens. Just got to get through the this this 8 at EMA and GEX level right here in order to get up there. So see, they're pushing. I'm starting to hear some volume come in on tick strike, but you got to get through this GEX. So see, I don't want to hold my hopes up too much right here, but it seems reasonable. See what happens. Just trading one contract on the ES here, so no scaling. I'm just going for 10 points. Got some sellers up here. 350 and 375, but could probably work through those without too much of a problem. Delta's lifting up a little bit. Advanced decline is lifting. Tick is positive. VIX is dropping actually quite a bit, which is definitely good to see for my long. And we've got yields rising a little bit, but they've just been kind of chopping around in a range, so they're not really doing much. Actually, that is right. see. All right, so still a lot of selling here. A lot of selling here with I don't know if they're trying to trap shorts with these selling tails, or if they're, just legit sellers selling the bottom of the opening range, if that's their algo or whatever. But we're getting close here to our target, about 3 points away. You can see here NQ looked below. This is the overnight range. NQ looked below and failed, popped right back in. So, I think there's good potential that can run a little bit higher, but we'll see. Sellers stepping in now. Again, see these wicks, so we'll see. Would love to be able to take risk off, but see what happens. Getting some tick strike sell orders coming through on the headphones. As you can see, that GEX level held really well there. So, still have some work to do to get through that. Maybe we can hold VWAP or volume point of control. But as you can see, we had that selling candle here and here on RTY. So see if we can start taking these out like we have been. That would be definitely good for my position. Delta has been climbing ever since we hit that low, so that's positive, I suppose. NQ here at VWAP now, see if it can hold. Down 0.72% on the day at the moment. ES down 0.25% and RTY down 0.55%. So, this could be seen as a gap close trade if you're reaching for yesterday's close, or test of yesterday's low. If we can get up there. So, aside from VWAP and full session VWAP and the opening range and the open, it didn't have a ton in my way as far as what I'm reaching for on this trade, but definitely not a good look on the SPY chart as far as getting hit on this GEX level here. That's a nice, if you're a bear and you're taking shorts, that right there is a nice freaking setup, but buy the dip, right? We got coming down the news wires, 8:30 a.m., 52-week bill, high yield, bid to cover, 10 a.m., a bond auction it looks like. So not too much. Obviously the Fed starts today, their meeting, but I don't think we get much info today. Supposedly they released their dot plot today, which could definitely have an effect on the market, but I don't know what time they do that at. Let's see if we can figure that out. So, 2 p.m. Eastern, looks like. So we did have a dark pool down here earlier and a GEX level, but those have both shifted. Interesting. Wonder why that is. dollar is falling pretty well here, which is interesting. Coming back to my entry here. Tempted to just close this thing out at break even, because I mean, obviously bears are in control, so it seems sketchy to be holding it, but I'm kind of sticking to this strategy for a little while now. Delta really fell off there. It bounced and it just freaking went way negative there. But NQ is still back inside the overnight range, so let's see if we can rally here. Not holding out a ton of hope for that though.
Seeing an article from TASS News here as France is preparing a contingent of 2,000 troops to be sent to Ukraine, according to the intelligence chief, again cited by TASS News.
buyers trying to save this. Let's see what kind of power they got. Bitcoin down 7%, down $4,650. XRP down 8.43% at 59 cents. Ethereum down $295 or 8.26%. AGIX down 5 cents to 99 cents at negative 5.3%, and Solana down 12.9% or $26. A bloodbath in the crypto market today, but healthy pullback. Curious what the yen is doing in all of this. Down. Down 1%. VIX still dropping though, that's what I find interesting. So, when this was down here, I was like 100% sure I was probably going to get stopped out, you know? I guess 100% probably doesn't really make sense, but this just looked like a great short setup. And, you know, what are you going to do? But this could be one of those times where I'm really glad that I didn't take a stop in here just because I thought it was I didn't want to take my full risk, you know. See if they can claw their way back through this opening range here. This is a 30-second opening range, by the way. Only pro traders like me use that. Come on, buyers. Getting some sell orders coming through here. And it is a chop fest, ladies and gentlemen, a chop fest. Surprisingly, Delta not changing much on this pushed lower. Alright, going camera off. Alright, so B period just closed inside of A period. C period's probably going to poke down through A, stop me out, and go higher, but so it goes. It's just probably just not always a probability.
Angola are to cut oil exports to 1.04 million barrels per day in May, according to a preliminary plan.
Of course, what I'd like to see is C to poke A's high, hit my target, a little fake upside break, then come down, go neutral, take out this low, maybe test the overnight low, this virgin point of control down here at 83-ish. You just kind of do an inside day until Fed news comes out or whatever. Going radio dark.
Fannie Mae expects 30-year fixed-rate mortgages to end the year at around 6.4%, which is up from the 5.9% that was predicted last month. They note the recent inflation data is likely to keep mortgage rates higher for longer than previously forecast, and this according to Fannie Mae.
Your subconscious mind is a powerful tool that can shape your thoughts, emotions, and actions. Embrace these affirmations and let them guide you toward becoming the most disciplined and successful day trader you aspire to be. Imagine yourself now sitting at your trading station, surrounded by a calm and focused atmosphere. You feel a deep sense of excitement and anticipation for the trading session ahead, not solely driven by the prospect of financial gain, but by the sheer joy of executing excellent trade entries and honing your skills as a trader. Take a moment to reflect on your motivation, the love and passion you have for the process of day trading. See yourself eagerly analyzing the market, observing the patterns and trends, and understanding the context of each trading session. Feel the exhilaration that comes from deciphering the nuances and intricacies of the market, knowing that this knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions. As a patient and disciplined trader, you understand the importance of waiting for the appropriate setups to present themselves. Visualize yourself exercising patience with grace and ease. See yourself calmly waiting for the perfect moment, trusting your instincts and the careful analysis you have performed. Feel a sense of serenity as you wait, knowing that the right opportunity will come to you in due time. Now, imagine yourself entering a trade that aligns perfectly with your analysis and intuition. See yourself executing the trade with precision and confidence. Experience the rush of satisfaction that comes from making a well-timed entry, knowing that you have followed your process and made an excellent decision. In your mind's eye, picture yourself managing your trades with skill and poise. See yourself making adjustments when necessary, adapting to changing market conditions, and always staying true to your strategy. Feel a sense of fulfillment as you navigate the market, always learning and growing with each and every trade. Now, I want you to imagine the rewards that come from the process itself. Picture yourself gaining insights and knowledge with every trading session. Feel the satisfaction of becoming a better trader, honing your skills, and gaining mastery over the art of day trading. Allow yourself to relish in the joy of the process, knowing that the financial rewards will follow as a byproduct of your dedication and passion. As you continue on your journey as a day trader, remember the love you have for the process. Embrace the excitement, anticipation, and fulfillment that comes from Alright, so getting close to target here. Let's see what we can do. Come on, buyers. Feet don't fail me now. Let's get up through there. Just a little bit further. And target acquired. Boom. Alright, so we got our 10 points. We are done for the day. Thanks for watching, and may the force be with you.